more people are going solar as a percentage of the population in our county than anywhere else in California. We consider ourselves to be at the tip of the spear for the solar movement.
I see California Solar as a pillar in the community. We take pride in our work and we value the end result, which is saving the environment and bringing social good and economic good.
It's always been really important to find people who really love their jobs. And I think that when you have that kind of commonality, that common thread of everyone who is so passionate about their careers all working together, it shows in all the work that they do.
What brought me to Cal Solar actually was my desire to work for a company that supported workers and the community. I've been with the company for 10 years.
I think solar is one of the smartest things that people can do for themselves and for the planet. There's no future in fossil fuels. We can't have a planet to leave for our children if we keep going the way we have.
It's a smaller system, yeah.
Yeah.
We did a lot of research online, looking at the longevity, the efficiency, the warranty. We love the look, That's one of the things I come up and I go, oh, every time I come up the driveway, it's like, oh, they look so nice. There's no maintenance on them. If there is a problem, we can just call.
The co-op has a goal to be really conscious about how it does business. And every single decision that we make, we think about how we're going to make it and what the impact is going to be on our community and our planet. So going solar was a no-brainer. Putting in this giant array helped us to become more financially viable. But more importantly, it reduced our dependence on non-renewable resources. Grocery stores are high demand, so we knew that by going solar, we would do a little better for our planet.
We have challenges here that people in the valley don't have. We have a very diverse history of projects that we've installed, from 2-panel tiny house systems to 300 kW carports, engineering on buildings that are 150 years old, grid-tied, interactive battery-based systems, off-grid systems, pole mounts, roof mounts, ground mounts, and everything in between. We build custom systems for a very unique area.
We've installed over 1,100 systems in the last 20 years. In California, in the future, is going to be 100% renewable, and we're an active piece of that solution.
We've done the majority of residential and commercial installations here, so we're the #1 company and the #1 spot for solar in America, and we feel really proud of that.